Welcome back. You have just seen 4 lasers shooting up, one towards the green sphere in the middle of the rings, and the other 3 towards the 3 smaller spheres attached to the rings. Let's first establish a coordinate frame in our problem. The 0, 0, 0 point is here. This is the origin where the lasers were shot from. And up there, we have the green sphere and the rings. This is the side view. I'm going to attach a coordinate frame to the origin of the lasers. In our case, Z points away from the origin to the other side, Y points up, and X points into the screen. When representing axes in a 3D space on a 2D plane, then the convention is that if the axis arrow points away from you, then it's a cross. It's like looking at an arrow from behind. However, if the axis arrow points towards you, then you have this point and a circle around it, as if you were looking at an arrow's tip when you stand in front of it. In our case, X points away from us. Thus, you are on the negative X side. Positive X is on the other side of the YZ plane. Now, the information that I will give you is the following. Firstly, the position of the green sphere's center relative to our established coordinate frame is 0, 210, and minus 365 meters. It means that the center of the green sphere is 0 meters away from the origin in the x direction, plus 210 meters away in the y direction, and minus 365 meters away in the z direction. As you can see, the origin and the center of the green sphere are located on the same YZ plane. And now you need to calculate 5 things. You have to find the distance between the origin and the center of the green sphere, D sphere. This is the length of the laser that was shot first. Then you have to find the angle theta that is between the D sphere line and the z-axis as shown here. The angle must be in degrees, not in radians. And of course, D sphere has to be in meters. In addition, you also have to find the distances between the origin and the centers of all the orange spheres that are inside the rings. These are the lengths of the lasers that were shot secondly. To calculate them, however, you need more information. I'm not going to give you their specific coordinates relative to the reference frame. However, I am going to tell you this. The centers of the orange and green spheres are at the same height. They have the same y values.